kids. I hope you all are enjoying. Now let's do our next topic. Our next topic is NUMBERS numbers on THE the ABACUS abacus numbers on the abacus. What is the meaning of abacus? Abacus is a tool that you use for fast calculation. On the paper, how you draw abacus, let's learn. You know numbers from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One digit number. And 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers are two-digit numbers. Now, how you draw abacus? Let's see. First, you draw a one horizontal line. You know this line is called sleeping line. You know na? So now the name of this line is horizontal line. This is your horizontal. One horizontal line you draw. Now two sticks. Two vertical lines. Two standing lines. One sleeping lines. Two standing lines. Horizontal line and vertical lines. Why I am taking two sticks? Because you are learning numbers from 0 to 20. One digit and two digit. So you take two sticks on the abacus. Now you write from the extreme right side. There is two sticks, 1 and 2. From right side you write 1, O, 1 and T. What is O and T? O and T are place values. O means ones. O-N-E-S, ones. T means tens. T-E-N-S, tens. O, ones. T, tens. These are place values. Ones and tens. Now, how you show numbers on this abacus? Let's take one example, that is 7. The number is 7. Now 7 is a one digit number, so you write 7 on ones place, O place. Write single number on ones place. 1, you write 1, 7, you write 7. Any number is here of one digit. 0 right here, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 number you write on the ones place, O place. Now it is a single number, one digit number, so you will not write anything here. Now you complete this box. This is your abacus. But one important is here. How you show this number on this abacus? You draw beads. You draw beads. Number is 7. You draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, students? 7 beads are here. The beads should be equal. The beads should be same. You will not draw like that. Small beads, now big beads, now small beads, now small beads, not. No. You will not draw like that. You will draw like that. The all beads should be same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever number is here, you draw according to that number. So this is your one digit number. Write on ones place and draw beads according to that. Now let's see the two digit number. For example, I am taking second example, that is 15. 1, 5, 15. So let's start draw abacus. First is sleeping line. Now 2 standing line. Then you write ones and tens. Now there is a two numbers, 2-digit number. So extreme right. Ones place you write 5 and on tens place you write 1. So this is your ones place and this is your tens place. Ones place and tens place. So you write 5 here and 1. Always start writing from right side, from ones place. Now what will you do next? You draw beads. Now 5 is here. So how many beads you draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for 1, how many beads you draw? 1. So this is your 15, the number 15 shown on this abacus. This is called, now you complete this box. Now this is your abacus. So I think you understand how you show numbers on the abacus. Let's see in the book. This is your book, page number 19. Here is the question based on abacus. Question number 1. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E, the. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. S-H-O-W-N, shown. O-N-O, T-H-E, the. A-B-A-C-U-S, abacus. Write the numbers shown on the abacus. I think you understand this question. O, ones place, T, tens place. Now in the ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads are here. So you write 8. Now on the tens place, there is no beads. So you write, you will not write any number. This is 0 actually. But this number is, your number is 8. Now let's do second example. Ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. Now tens place, 1 bead. So you write 1. The number is 14. Understand, students? Now you will do remaining questions. Now the question number 2. D-R-A-W, draw. T-H-E, the. B-E-A-D-S, beads. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. Abacus, A-B-A-C-U-S, abacus. F-O-R, for. T-H-E, the. G-I-V-E-N, given. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Draw the beads on the abacus for the given numbers. So there is a number, but no beads are here. So you draw beads in this question. One is already done. So let's take the second example. O place, always start from ones place. Now O place, there is a 7. So how many beads you draw? 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. Now 1. How many beads? 1. That number is 17. Let's take the third example. 0. What is the meaning of 0? No beads. And tens place, 2. How many beads you draw? 1, 2. For 0, you do not draw any bead. For 2, you draw 2 beads. The number is 20. For 20, this is abacus. For 17, this is. The remaining questions you will do. Okay, class 1 students, I think you understand how you draw abacus and how you draw beads and how you show numbers on the abacus. Thank you students. Have a nice day.